Listen close, that's what explorers love the most. Nature helps you day and night. When you're scared, you'll be alright. Breathe in deep, look around. That's where magic can be found. E-X-P-L-O-R-E inside of me. E-X-P-L-O-R-E, wild and free. Wild and free. Wild and free, out and free. Touch the trees, smell the air, find yourself, you're always there. Friends beside you, laugh and share, explore the world.